Independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause. An independent clause is a group of words that has a subject and a verb, and it can stand alone as a complete sentence. Examples: I went to school. She is reading a book. They are playing outside. Each of these can stand alone and make complete sense. Dependent clause. A dependent clause also has a subject and a verb, but it cannot stand alone because it depends on another clause to complete its meaning. It usually begins with words like because, when, if, although, since, after, before, while, unless, that, who, etc. For example, these sentences cannot stand alone. Because I was tired. When she arrived. If it rains. These sentences do not give complete meaning. You feel like the sentence is incomplete. Examples of full sentences using both. Because I was tired, I went to bed. Dependent clause. Because I was tired. Independent clause. I went to bed. If it rains, we will stay home. Dependent clause. If it rains. Independent clause. We will stay home. She smiled when she saw her friend. Independent clause. She smiled. Dependent clause. When she saw her friend. Simple trick. If the clause can stand alone, it's independent. If the clause needs more information, it's dependent.